Hey, welcome to Double G's Garage. Well, for those that have been following the progress on the 69 convertible, it was the brake push rod that was the wrong part. I had one that was too short, got the right one, now I got brakes. Amazing how that works. So we pretty much got things together where we can do a quick test drive. Sorry about the shake with the camera there. We can do a quick test drive. If you've watched any of my past videos, I'm notorious for let's drive the car with a bucket because the seats aren't done yet. And don't have any tags or insurance on it, so hey, what the heck, let's go. So first drive, first time this car has moved on its own since 1983. So yeah, it's not real happy yet, but we'll keep playing with it. I did make it down the driveway and back though, so that's a start. So keep following us. I'll keep wrenching on it. We'll get some seats in it. We'll fine tune what's going on with it, and we'll take it out again. But at least I know the transmission works and it moves under its own power. Got brakes now, so it's a good start. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. I know this is a short video. Appreciate everybody's support. We'll see you next time.